Okay, so welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to try to install this final piece of carbon fiber to the inside of the Porsche Cayman. And I have to tell you that this is definitely the most challenging part to install. And it's because you have to open this thing so wide, stretching it to where it sounds like it's about to crack. So we shall see. I'm going to clean it first with the alcohol swab pads right here. Let it dry out some, and then I'm gonna try and actually film me putting this on. But as you can see, inside here you got the tape, the 3M tape that's going to come off, and you know, this thing might break off and it might stick on here, so we're just going to try and see what happens. So I'm going to clean it really quick and get right back. Okay, so I'm just going to gently rub this on here, and hopefully this will get the bodily oils off of here and any kind of cleaning product that I've put on here in the past. And there it goes. We're just going to let that dry for a minute. And then we're going to attempt to put this carbon fiber shift knob on. We will see how this works. Not so sure about this. Okay, we're gonna give it a try. Okay, as you can see, I've moved over here to the passenger side, thinking I might have a better angle at trying to slide this thing on. But first of all, I just wanted to show you once again that this tape is so hard to come off. To get this tape off successfully, that I've used the old reliable tweezers, so that's what I'm using to gently pull the red tape off with. So there's that. Okay, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be able to film this. I'm gonna try and do it, but I really think I'm gonna need both hands to do this, and so I'm going to try it, and we'll see what happens. Okay. Okay, so actually it went on a lot better than I thought it would. And what I did was, and be sure that when you're doing this, concentrate to make sure that you're lining it up properly, and that this part is where it needs to go. Because really, once I separated it, at the separation part back here, really, I just kind of shoved it on there really quick, and it didn't have time to get caught on anything. So the 3M tape, I'm going to let that cure overnight, let that sit in the room temperature. But it looks looks pretty good. It fits. You know, it's the same company as all these other carbon fiber pieces that I really am impressed with. And so yeah, I mean, so long as you go over, just shove it down this way, open it up, and go down, and let it cure. It just kind of snapped into place. So thumbs up. Good. Worked out really